Hello guys, it's Morania. So you can see I'm shooting a bit from a different background. So today I went out shopping. I bought some collectibles, those the ones we use in the background and stuff like that. So been also working on the background light. Then I'm using a ring light. Now that you guys can see it reflect, yeah, you can see it reflect on my glasses. So I went out today and bought an LED light. I've been looking to buy one. The budget was not that huge, so my budget was about actually 5,000 shillings. I didn't want to spend anything more than 5,000 shillings, but most of the LED lights that I was getting are actually very tiny and were not really that suitable for what I want to do with them, because they were not showing the Kelvin numbers behind, so you cannot even set your camera to actually capture exactly how you want the saturation of your video to look. Yeah, so I decided to go out and buy. I actually visited Camera Africa. The light that I got, let me just show you. Yeah, so I visited Camera Africa about a week ago. I didn't have the money, so I spoke with a guy. He told me that they will give me this. Not actually give. I think they would let me buy this, as if they were not going to let me buy it. This one, actually, when I got there, they were selling it to me at around, the guy told me 10,500. I was not okay with that, but previously I'd been told 7,500. That is down from about 9,000. I didn't know that I'm this good of a bargainer, but I managed to bargain from 9,000 to 7,500. But when I went there today, the guy told me 10,500. I just told him outright that I was here a week ago and I was told 7,500. So that's what I came with, and that's what I came to get. I was there in sweatpants, Crocs, and the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. Just the way I am. I just went there just the way I am. No preparation, nothing. So I decided to go and get this. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. Kind of an unboxing, although I'd already opened it, but let's just go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside here. Then we come back and review this one after 1 week of using it. So yeah, let's see what's new. Let's just see what's new. So here we are. This is called the Tolifo LED camera light panel, bi-color, soft light, high power, pocket size, upgraded LED camera light, premium quality, SMD. Here it's Tolifo photographic equipment.com, manufacturer China, Universal Gift Center Limited. Yeah, a lot of information there, so let's just go on. Just see at the back. So this is how it looks at the back. Yeah, that is just it. Yeah. So once you open, this is what you find inside the box. You have the Tolifo. This is let me see what user guide. This is a user guide. This is the light itself. It takes 2 batteries. Then there is the addition, subtraction mode, and the power off, power on. So it opens up. I don't know whether you guys can see this one clearly, because it's kind of, I'm still using the, let me just adjust this. I'm still using the ring light. So this is the light itself. This is how the light comes. It's got these kind of panels for shielding it or probably directing the light where to go. They are kind of heavy and dark. It's metallic. Then the LED lights inside there. Then we have this at the back. You can see there is the plus. There is the plus, the minus, the on, the off. I'm shooting this video in vertical form, so you guys try as much as possible to see and understand what I'm doing. So here is the light itself. Let's just place it here. Now this is actually for holding. If you need somebody to just hold the light for you, this is how you just fit it on the light, and you just fit it here. Okay, let me just put this here, then we'll do that later. Now this is for mounting. I wanted an on-camera kind of light because I was using the ring light, and this is the on-camera mount. It's adjustable so that yeah. So this is the on-camera. You can just adjust it to probably the light to look downwards or upwards. Now this is quite firm. Then we have this casing. We have a USB cable, just the normal USB cable. Then we have another USB cable. We have another. This is for stand holder. You just like the stand that I'm using right now. If I could, I would show you guys. Just place it, then you pin it on it. You like tighten it on the stand so that you can use it. A lot of adjustability with this one. And everything else here. You have the first camera battery charger. This is a charger. This another charger, an extra charger. This is a battery. One battery. Another battery. So let's just go on and turn the light on, just to test whether it's actually working. So this is the light. This is where the batteries go. Let's take this. Place it onto that. Yes, there we go. The batteries are fitted perfectly. Now this is an on-camera light, and the camera that I'm using is kind of really tiny. It's a Canon M50 Mark II. It's quite tiny, and this is actually heavy. This light is heavy. I'm kind of worried for my camera. Somehow looks like is it used? No, it's not used. Still have the protectors on already. Let me just remove this. Yeah, let's just turn it on and see what happens. There we go. So with this new light, I just hope that my time of using the ring light is over. I hope that I'm going to be using this ring light as background light. But as for now, let's first use this on the camera and see how it works. If it works better, then I will recommend it to you and I will actually review it. If it doesn't, I will actually discourage you from buying it. So guys, if you're here, just like, comment and subscribe. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. That's the least that I want at the moment. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more.